Hey, what's up guys, it's Rodev, and a lot of people have been asking, how do I use ChatGPT for Roblox Studio? So I thought I'd create this short little tutorial on how to exactly do that. So getting straight into it, the first thing you want to do is open up your browser, and you want to go to this website. It'll be the first link in the description, chat.openai.com, and you'll be brought to this page. Once you're on this page right here, all you want to do is click on sign up. You're going to be brought to this page, and the easiest way to do this is to just click on continue with Google. However, you can enter your email address if you want to. You'll also be asked to enter your phone number and verify it. After you finish signing up, you'll be brought to this page right here. You can really ask this AI anything, but let me show you guys a more advanced way to use ChatGPT. Just head over to this link that'll also be in the description. After signing in, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. From here, what you can do is click on examples. This examples page really has everything on it. It has movie to emoji, explaining code, which is also really helpful, and airport code extractor. This has a lot of stuff you guys can use, and it's really helpful. But the main reason I'm showing you guys this is because of this playground section. This playground section is basically ChatGPT, but it's a lot more advanced. For example, you can choose the AI you're talking to. These are different language models that OpenAI trained. That basically means these are different AIs. And right here, you can actually choose different presets. For example, summarizing text for a second grader. If I go ahead and click submit right now, it's going to summarize this. Unfortunately, I have hit my usage limit. However, this won't be a problem for you guys. Now, I do know that a lot of you guys are here because you don't know where to put your scripts after ChatGPT makes them. And my honest answer for you guys is that I don't really know how to explain it. There is a lot that goes on in scripting, and you guys should really learn scripting. So if you guys want to beat the AI and get ahead of the AI, click the video on your screen right now to really learn scripting. After following that video, you're gonna learn where to actually place these scripts that ChatGPT gives you. Anyways guys, that's going to be it from me today. If this video did help out, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.